What if Earth is not a single world? What if Mars is not a distant planet? What if both planets are parts of something much larger, something ancient, something hidden, something that still pulses beneath our feet? Imagine this: two planets separated by millions of kilometers, yet both vibrating together, both sending pulses into the void, both answering each other like two drums beating in the dark. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe, because this is one of the deepest mysteries the solar system has ever shown us. Let us begin. In 2018, a strange radio pulse reached Earth, not from a star, not from deep space, not from a galaxy. It came from the direction of the sun. That should be impossible. No radio wave should pass through a burning star, yet this one did. Scientists traced its path. When the journey was mapped, something unbelievable appeared. The pulse lined up perfectly with Earth and perfectly with Mars, as if the signal had traveled along an invisible line, a straight hidden channel connecting the two planets. This made no sense, so scientists ignored it until the next pulse arrived. This one was different. It was stronger. It carried a deeper vibration, like something massive had pushed it out. Then it happened again and again, always in the same direction, always in the same rhythm. Something out there was sending pulses that Earth and Mars both received, as if both planets were part of the same system. Then something happened that no one expected. A NASA lander on Mars detected a deep vibration inside the planet. Not a Mars quake, not rock movement. A repeating thump, soft, steady, controlled. And 12 minutes later, Earth felt a weaker echo underground. The timing matched the distance exactly. It was as if the pulse had traveled from Mars to Earth through something physical, not through space, not through air, but through a material, a tunnel, a link buried deep below both planets. Scientists tried to dismiss it. They said it was coincidence. They said it was error. They said signals sometimes trick instruments. But the pulses continued. Meanwhile, a European orbiter scanned the magnetic field of Mars. The results shocked everyone. Inside Mars were thin magnetic veins, long lines of energy. They ran under the crust like roots under soil. They vibrated softly, they pulsed slowly. And the strangest discovery of all, these veins vibrated in sync with Earth's magnetic field. Both planets vibrated at the same moment, with the same frequency, as if both were connected to one another. Two worlds, one rhythm. Scientists could not explain it. Then on Earth, something strange was found. Deep in Antarctica, a research team discovered a massive vertical structure under the ice. Solid, smooth, and old, very old. Far older than humanity, older than the ice above it. When sensors were placed on the structure, it began to vibrate, a slow repeating pulse, the exact same pulse recorded under Mars. This was no coincidence anymore. It was a pattern, a system, a connection. So what could link Earth and Mars? There are three powerful theories. The first theory, natural plasma tunnels, invisible magnetic tubes that form between planets. If they exist, they could carry energy, vibration, and signals, like cosmic pipelines connecting worlds. These tubes would be silent, hidden, impossible to see, yet strong enough to move a pulse across space. The second theory, a megastructure built long before humans existed. A planetary-scale network connecting worlds through deep energy channels. If such a system existed, its remains could still be active, still pulsing, still reacting to what we do. Imagine ancient builders linking planets like cities, creating tunnels not of stone but of magnetic plasma and unknown materials. A forgotten system now waking up. The third theory, the darkest one, Earth and Mars might be fragments of a single ancient planet. A world that tore itself apart in a violent cosmic event, leaving behind deep tunnels through the cores, tunnels that never fully collapsed, tunnels that still echo with the same ancient pulse. If this is true, Earth and Mars are not strangers. They are siblings, parts of one ancient body, still breathing together. But something even stranger has been happening recently. Every time a rover drills into the ground on Mars, the underground pulse on Earth rises. Every time the rover stops drilling, the Earth pulse falls. This has happened multiple times, always the same pattern. Something under Mars reacts to us, something under Earth reacts with it, as if the connection is waking up, as if the system is aware, as if the underground network between both planets is still alive. Now imagine this. One day humans will go underground on Mars, not just on the surface, but deep inside the crust, into the caverns, into the hollow zones, into the places where the pulses originate. And there we may find something far beyond science, far beyond geology, far beyond our understanding. Not alien life, not machines, but the remains of a system older than Earth itself. A network linking planets, a memory written into rock, a heartbeat shared across space. Earth and Mars may still be connected, and we are only just beginning to hear the heartbeat return. If you want more mysteries from the deep shadows of our solar system, make sure you subscribe, because the truth about these planets may change our understanding of reality forever.